All right, let's look at the homework 10.1, problem number 3. All right, so let's look at that. All right, so you have a parametric equation given here, and we want to find the Cartesian equation of the same curve. All right, so let's do that. So since if you do x squared plus y squared, all right, this is going to be sine squared of theta over 2 plus cosine squared of theta over 2. Right? Because of the trig identity, we know that this is equal to 1. Right? So we have an equation x squared plus y squared is equal to 1, which is the equation of the unit circle. Right? So we have equation here, x squared plus y squared is equal to 1. Alright, so let's check the answer first. Alright, submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, so let's find the correct picture. Alright, so let's just check a couple points. So theta starts from negative pi. Alright, so if theta is equal to negative pi, and you can see that x is equal to sine of negative pi over 2, right? Which is equal to negative 1, right? And y is equal to cosine negative pi over 2, which is 0. Right? So the starting point is going to be negative 1, 0. Alright, then I'll take the middle number. So we have a theta equal to 0. Alright, so we know that x is going to be equal to sine of 0, which is going to be 0. Then we have a cosine, y is going to be equal to cosine of 0, which is going to be equal to 1. So, which means that it's going to go through 0, 1. And the terminal point would be when theta equals pi. Right? So you can see that x is equal to sine of pi over 2, which is going to be equal to 1. And y equals cosine of pi over 2, which is going to be equal to 0. So it's going to go through 1, 0. Right? So start from negative 1, 0, and a 0, 1, and 1, 0. So let's see if we can find a picture here. Alright, so it's going to start from negative 1, 0. So either the third picture or the fourth picture. Right, so either the bottom two. Right, but the middle point was 1, 0, so it's definitely that one. Alright, so let's check the answer. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got the correct picture as well. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.